Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the concept of alignment and how it can greatly contribute to your success. Whether you're aiming for personal growth or pursuing professional goals, understanding alignment is crucial. So let's get started. Defining alignment. Alignment refers to the state of harmony and congruence between various aspects of your life, such as your values, goals, actions, and beliefs. When these elements are aligned, they work together in a synergistic way to propel you towards your desired outcomes. The importance of alignment. Alignment plays a fundamental role in achieving success for several reasons. Firstly, it provides clarity and focus by helping you identify what truly matters to you. When your goals and actions are in alignment with your values, you gain a sense of purpose and direction. Secondly, alignment enhances motivation and resilience. When you are passionate about what you do and believe in it wholeheartedly, you're more likely to persevere through challenges and setbacks. Assessing your alignment. To understand alignment, it's essential to conduct a self-assessment. Here are some key areas to consider. Reflect on your core values. These are the principles that guide your decisions and actions. Are you living in accordance with your values, or are there areas where you need to realign? Evaluate your current goals. Do they align with your long-term vision? Are they specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound? Analyze your daily actions and behaviors. Do they support your goals and values? Are there any actions that are in conflict with what you're trying to achieve? Take a closer look at your beliefs and mindset. Are they empowering or limiting? Do they align with your aspirations? Achieving alignment. Now that you have assessed your alignment, let's talk about how to achieve it. Get clear on your values, goals, and priorities. Write them down and revisit them regularly to stay focused. Consistently align your actions with your values and goals. Make conscious choices that are in line with what you want to achieve. Regularly reflect on your progress and reassess your alignment. Adjust your course if necessary, and celebrate your successes along the way. Case studies and examples. To illustrate the power of alignment, let's look at a couple of real-life examples. Personal growth. Imagine someone striving for personal growth. By aligning their actions with their values of learning and self-improvement, they may enroll in courses, read books, and surround themselves with like-minded individuals. Entrepreneurship. In the world of entrepreneurship, alignment is crucial. A successful entrepreneur aligns their business strategies with their mission, values, and target market. This alignment fosters customer trust, employee engagement, and ultimately, business growth. Conclusion. Understanding alignment is a powerful tool for personal and professional success. By aligning your values, goals, actions, and beliefs, you create a harmonious and purpose-driven life. So, take the time to assess your alignment, make the necessary adjustments, and watch how it positively impacts your journey toward success. That's it for today's video. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.